Sick of cleaning your home every single day? Let smart tech handle it for you. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Tikom G8000 Max robot vacuum, built for powerful, hands-free cleaning with a slim, modern design. It delivers strong suction and intelligent navigation to move efficiently across your home and tackle dirt with precision. With app control, 2-in-1 vacuum and mop functionality, and automatic recharging, it keeps your floors fresh and spotless, so you can enjoy a cleaner space without lifting a finger. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Tikom G8000 Max robot vacuum, charging station, power adapter, electric control water tank, mopping cloth holder, spare dustbin, remote controller, 2 AA batteries, 2 side brushes, adhesive tapes for boundary strip, 5 cable ties, 1 meter boundary strip, user manual and quick start guide. Technical specifications. Meet the Tikom G8000 Max, a sleek and ultra-slim robot vacuum with a modern black finish, built for effortless, hands-free cleaning. It moves through your home using gyroscope-based zigzag navigation, covering every corner efficiently. Though it doesn't save maps for room-specific cleaning, safety is a priority with anti-collision and anti-fall sensors that prevent bumps into furniture and accidental drops. Equipped with 5,000 pascals of powerful suction and a 450 milliliter dustbin, it captures dirt and debris with ease, while the 300 milliliter water tank lets it mop and vacuum at the same time for a complete clean. Its 2,600 mAh lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting performance, running up to 150 minutes in gentle mode, 120 minutes in normal, and 90 minutes in strong mode, and it automatically returns to recharge when needed. The G8000 Max easily climbs thresholds and small obstacles up to 15 to 20 millimeters and supports multiple cleaning modes, including zigzag, edge, spot, and manual cleaning. Smart features like app control, remote control, and 4 adjustable suction levels make it easy to customize your cleaning, while 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant give you complete convenience. And with a quiet operation at around 45 decibels, it's ideal for hard floors and low to medium carpets, keeping your home spotless without disturbing your daily life. Product features. The G8000 Max delivers strong 5,000 pascal suction that easily picks up dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from hard floors, tiles, and low to medium carpets. Its 450 milliliter dustbin allows for extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying, making it ideal for larger homes, busy households, or multi-room cleaning. Equipped with a 300 milliliter water tank, this robot can vacuum with powerful suction while mopping simultaneously, giving your floors a thorough and efficient clean in a single pass. Adjustable water flow levels, low, medium, and high, let you customize mopping intensity depending on floor type or level of dirt. Using gyroscope-based zigzag navigation, the G8000 Max moves systematically to cover your home efficiently while maintaining consistent suction across all surfaces. Anti-collision and anti-fall sensors detect furniture, walls, and stairs, preventing accidental bumps or falls while easily handling thresholds and small obstacles. You can control the vacuum remotely via the smartphone app over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, ensuring suction and cleaning performance can be adjusted to your needs. schedule cleaning, select modes, and monitor progress in real time from anywhere. It also works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to start, pause, or stop cleaning with simple voice commands. How to use. Before you begin, ensure the Tikom G8000 Max is fully charged for uninterrupted cleaning. Check that the dustbin is empty and securely installed, and fill the water tank if you plan to use the mopping function. Proper preparation ensures the robot can operate at maximum efficiency and clean every corner of your home effectively. Place the charging dock on a flat, open surface with enough space around it so the robot can easily return for charging. Avoid tight corners or under-low furniture, as this can make docking difficult. Make sure the area is free of cords or small obstacles to allow smooth navigation. Turn on the robot and let it navigate your home using gyroscope-based zigzag cleaning. It will systematically cover all areas while avoiding obstacles and drops, ensuring thorough cleaning. Keep in mind that the vacuum creates a live trail of its path during the session rather than a stored, for room-specific cleaning. Open the app or use voice commands via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to select your preferred cleaning mode and suction level. Once started, the robot will vacuum and mop simultaneously, adjusting suction as needed for different surfaces, and automatically return to the dock when the battery runs low. You can schedule sessions or monitor progress in real time for maximum convenience. App connection. Download and install the Tuya Smart app from the App Store or Google Play on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and create a new account or login if you already have one. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as the robot will not connect to 5 GHz networks. Power on the Tikom G8000 Max and ensure it has enough battery or is placed on the charging dock. Then press and hold the power and home buttons together for about 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi indicator light begins fast flashing, which means the robot has entered pairing mode and is ready to connect. Open the app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Then select Add Device. From the list, choose your G8000 Max robot vacuum. Select the same Wi-Fi network your phone is using and enter the correct password. Confirm that the indicator light is blinking, then tap to proceed and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the temporary network created by the robot. After connecting, return to the app and wait for it to finish pairing. Once the connection is successful, the Wi-Fi indicator light will turn solid, confirming that the robot is fully connected and ready for use with app controls and voice assistance. Maintenance. Gently remove the side brush by pulling it off the mounting point. Carefully untangle any hair, threads, or debris wrapped around the bristles. If necessary, rinse the brush under water and let it dry completely before reattaching. Keeping the side brush clean ensures that edges and corners are swept effectively during every cleaning session. Lift the brush guard and take out the central roller brush. Remove any accumulated hair, dust, or debris that may slow its rotation. If the roller brush is washable, rinse it and allow it to dry fully before reinstalling. Regular maintenance of the roller brush helps the robot maintain strong suction and consistent cleaning performance on carpets and hard floors. Inspect the rubber strips on the roller brush for hair or dirt buildup. Wipe them gently with a dry or slightly damp cloth to prevent friction and ensure smooth rotation. Proper care of the rubber strips prolongs the lifespan of the brush and keeps the cleaning operation efficient. Remove the dustbin from the robot and empty all collected debris. Take out the washable filter, rinse it under cold water, and let it air dry completely before reinserting. Regular cleaning of the dustbin and filter preserves suction power and ensures that dust and allergens are properly contained. Use a thin, rod-shaped tool to carefully pry up the metal axle from both sides and remove the caster wheel from the robot. Gently pull out the axle rod, then thoroughly remove any hair, dust, or debris that may be wrapped around the wheel or axle. Inspect the wheel hub and axle socket for any remaining blockages that could affect smooth rotation. Once everything is clean, securely reassemble the caster wheel and make sure it spins freely and moves smoothly before putting the robot back into operation. Safety tips. Avoid wet surfaces. Keep away from extreme temperatures. Clear obstacles from floors. Use approved power accessories. Maintenance safety. Avoid picking up hazardous items. Product comparison. The Tikom G8000 Max features a sleek, low-profile design that allows it to easily glide under furniture, beds, and cabinets, making it ideal for tight spaces. In contrast, the iLife G80 Max has a slightly larger and taller body, prioritizing broader surface coverage and room-to-room cleaning, but it may be slightly less able to fit under very low furniture. The G8000 Max relies on gyroscope-based zigzag navigation, moving systematically while creating a live trail of areas it has cleaned during each session. It does not save maps for later use. On the other hand, the V80 Max uses LDS laser navigation, which allows it to generate detailed, saved maps and enables room-specific cleaning, giving more precise control over multiple areas of your home. With 5,000 pascals strong suction, the Tikom G8000 Max efficiently picks up dust, dirt, and pet hair, and supports simultaneous vacuuming and mopping for a complete clean. The iLife V80 Max has slightly lower suction, around 4,200 pascals, but uses precise laser-guided cleaning patterns to maintain consistent results, especially in larger rooms or more open layouts. The G8000 Max is powered by a 2,600 mAh battery, providing up to 150 minutes of cleaning on low or normal suction, sufficient for medium to large homes. The V80 Max comes with a larger 3,000 mAh battery, allowing up to 180 minutes of runtime, giving it slightly more coverage for bigger spaces or extended cleaning sessions without needing a recharge. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.